In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly set up your tracking and conversions in your Google Ad account. First, we're going to click on Tools and Settings, then Conversions. If your ad account's new, you most likely won't have many conversions in the ad account. If you're using something other than Shopify, you're going to want to use the native Google connection. But if you're using Shopify, these are the steps that I suggest you follow. If you're a Shopify user, we always suggest downloading the app Simprosi's Google Shopping Feed. You can find this app by simply clicking on the apps icon and then searching the word Simprosi's, S-I-M-P-R-O-S-Y-S, and then you should see this app pop up, Simprosi's Google Shopping Feed. It's $4.99 a month and well worth it. So when you first log into this app, it's going to ask you to log in to your ad account. So you want to use the email that is connected with your ad account and then choose the proper ad account. It's also going to prompt you to connect your merchant center. So you want to make sure you log in with the same email that you used to log into your merchant center and then select the proper merchant center ID. It will automatically begin syncing. We just did this, and if we go into Manage Products, you can already see that there are 20 products submitted here. The first time you do this, this can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 10 hours to fully sync with Merchant Center. Now we're going to scroll up to Tracking Tags and then click on Google Dynamic Remarketing and Conversion Tracking. So now we're going to click Create New Conversions. If you see this prompt on here, go ahead and select Update App Permissions. We want Google Enhanced Conversions, so save. This says you have not enabled the enhanced conversions in your Google Ads account. Now, the easiest way is to watch this video, but I'm going to show you how you can enable your enhanced conversions in your ad account. So we'll go back to your ad account. We're going to refresh this conversions page, and those new conversions should populate in the conversion section now. So you can see the new purchase event that Simprosi's made, the new add to cart event, and the new begin checkout event. So when we open our purchase event, we're going to go down to enhanced conversions. We're going to enable it. We're going to select API, then next, then save. Now this can take an hour or two to fully update, but we're going to go back to Simprosi's and try submitting that request again. And you can see that our enhanced conversions is now active. Now while you're in the tracking section, you may as well go back up and click Facebook Pixel Event Tracking Setup. We haven't connected ours yet, but all you have to do is log in with your Facebook account, choose your ad account, and choose the right pixel for your store that you want to connect. Simprosi's does a great job at tracking both Google and Meta conversions, so we like to utilize it for both platforms. Now, it hasn't been that long, but we're going to go back and check on the status of our products that we submitted. So we're going to go to Manage Products. And what we're looking for are errors, and we're not seeing any errors here, which is great. This is showing that these products are approved for a free listing and then also approved for shopping and display ads. So we're going to go into Merchant Center to double check to make sure that there are no errors in Merchant Center as well. So we're going to refresh this. And everything is active. There's no errors. That's one thing that we absolutely love about Simprosi's, is it works very seamlessly. So the primary purpose of this video was just to get your tracking and conversions set up. Now I know we started to get into the product feed, but we're going to save the rest for the next video. So make sure you jump into the next video where I show you how to properly optimize your shopping feed.